with you gamers? It's your boy Tinshan, and we are rolling up this hissy. This is Captain Cloak. I hate you, Captain Cloak. Captain Cloak. So we're supposed to meet the hot one in the bridge that Ratchet has a crush on. I remember my first game was Ratchet and Clank, Tools of Destruction. No kidding, that was my first game. I loved that game. I was in first grade.
We're losing the signal. Try boosting the power. Isn't that the president?
We got the PS3 in 2006. That's what my dad told me.
Mr. President.
Dad!
Are you there?
Nope. He's dead. That's nefarious.
Robotic citizens of the Solana Galaxy. The hour of your liberation is at hand. Too long have suffered.
He's just making fun of him.
Stupidity, the squishiness and foul stench of organic life forms. Soon, all robots will bask in the liberty and equality of my benevolent...
This is way too long. I have that percent?
View your current missions. Select the missions menu from the pause screen.
Okay, I'll be honest. I skipped that because I don't know how, but I got low percent, so you might not finish the mission. So, sorry guys, if we don't finish the mission. But let's go to plant something and let's roll up the sissy. Planet Machaca. I'm gonna call it Planet Machaca. We might have to skip all the cutscenes.
Come on, outside. Let's go outside. Keep on.
Congratulations, sir.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm low percent. Do I have to buy the... Nope. Oh, come on. I'm just gonna hurry up. Okay? I'm just gonna hurry up.
Cycle through the last 3 weapons you have equipped.
So, let's roll up the sissy. Woo! Let's roll up the sissy. And if we don't roll up the sissy, what do we roll up?
Sonny, go get Roxy. Go get Roxy, Sean. Sean, go get Roxy. I'm sorry. Go get him. There's police outside. Go get him. She's walking like crazy. I'm sorry.
Guys, I'll be right back real fast. So, for that, I had to roll up the sissy. Sorry guys for that. Let's roll up this sissy. I'm just rushing through this. Oh no. I will make it. I will make it to the promised land. Ah. Yes. Get on. Get on, my friends. Get on.
Nice shooting, sir. I see that wave of turtles just landed.
Yeah.
Taking a compound from the other side.
This time I won't skip.
You got it. Follow me to the dropship.
Let's go. Screw you. I'm wanted. No. Screw me. I'm wanted. Oh, I have to start here? Yeah, screw all you. I'm just gonna run. I don't have nothing in my life. Except being awesome. Wait, I could buy a gun! Yeah, do it. Yeah. I'm thinking of... Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I already done it, so... Screw it, guys. Yes, let's screw you. We're going back to the ship. Okay. It's a civil presidency. One. Screw you. Screw you. Get in the babes. Oh shit. No! Yeah. I love this gun. It's my favorite gun. In the whole entire gun world. I love guns. Oh my god, I just killed 3 in just one shot. That's amazing. Epic kill. Like the last video. We might not finish this. We probably won't. Yeah. Guys, after this, I'm gonna have to recharge my camera. So, you won't get to finish this mission. But hey, I'm at the fence. We're still gonna post this, but on YouTube, but we're gonna like get out of here. Probably actually after this, yeah. After this, guys, I'm done because I have to recharge my camera. Sorry, guys, but I know it's lame. I've been lame before. Just kidding. That's how I get the pipe, son. Oh, they clean. I mean, they poop. You call me ladies? This will be this episode. Sorry we didn't get to finish it, but I'm sorry, sorry. So I hope you liked this video. Simply slice that like button and battle. Oh, I only made it for 9 minutes. Oh, I'm sorry, guys.